name's Joanne with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, and today we're going to learn how to use some sewing practice sheets. So today you can utilize maybe a paper that has some lines like this, or you can design your own design. So for example there. So what you're going to want to do is not put a thread, and you're just going to utilize a sewing needle. So turn on your sewing machine. Then you're going to drop the lever and drop the needle. And use the needle with that line on the paper. And then slowly press it with your foot pedal. And remember, with every sewing project, in the beginning, at the end, you want to backstitch. And backstitch. So just an example on how you can practice with your sewing machine to make some straight lines. Here's another example. It's very important to learn how to sew in curvy lines. So once again, you can just drop your needle down and slowly sew on the black lines. Hope that helped. Now remember, practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing with these sewing sheets.